Hey folks, welcome to the Crypto Underworld review. My name is Govind and this is TechEvoke.com. If you are into crypto marketing and want to make fastest money and higher money from your existing condition in crypto marketing, then this is the right kind of video for you. And I am going to demonstrate the Crypto Underworld course and what you will get inside this course and what are the benefits you can achieve with this course. So this is a course to tell you what are the NFTs, what are the token you have to buy, what are the tokens you don't have to buy, and the types of crypto, the NFTs, the memes, and the tokens, and lots of things. So this course will be very beneficial, and if you genuinely buy this course and landing to my review to know more about it course, then this is the right kind of video. So stay till the end, don't leave this video. And before going to start the Crypto Underworld review, I want to take you to my official website, that is TechEvoke.com, and here I have shared a in-depth review about Crypto Underworld. So this review has loaded with fully high quality bonuses. If you are into online marketing and if you have any business that needs any requirement of digital tools, just like website builder and lots of things, stock images, these kind of bonuses you will get absolutely free with Crypto Underworld. So there are two benefits for you, the crypto marketing course and including bonuses that I am offering you with this review. So now coming to the official website of Crypto Underworld. So what the vendor said about this course: check out my brand new underground crypto method for finding hot tokens before they go mainstream for 100 times profits and low starting investment. So you very well know about the crypto and the stock fluctuation and all the things. Any token has started from the almost zero value are now coming to the millions of dollars. So you can now imagine how crypto is very big, and you can evaluate its worth. So there are lots of risk, but in stock marketing and in trading there are also the risk. So to make money online, to make money with stock marketing and crypto trading, you have to take this risk. So uh, now come to the of members area of Crypto Underworld. This is the members area. I have logged in here. So before going to start the demonstration, I want to show you the upgrades of this course. So any of the course or software that has launched on JVZoo or Warrior Plus, if you have already purchased any of the course or software regarding internet marketing softwares, then you very well know about these two platforms. So there are some OTOs and the upgrades to get the full access of this particular course. So in order to use the all resources and get all the benefits, you have to upgrade it. So I want to reveal you something that so that you can understand what are the things you will get on the front end and the upgrades. So this is the front end. In Crypto Underworld you will get course, the full course, the training that reveal the method that the vendor and the creator use to find hot tokens in the DeFi space before they go mainstream. I teach the method I use to find them, buy them, and swap them for big profits. This is the OTO 1, which is stacking and yield farming. This upgrade reveal how I use two additional underground crypto methods. So this is a case study in upgrade 1. So if you want to go here, then OTO 2 is the hack. So what is the hack? This hack is slippage on PancakeSwap is a big issue that can really eat into profit. Many swaps end up with slippage of up to 15%, but I will discover a powerful hack that limit PancakeSwap slippages to as low as 1%, which will save the user hundreds and $1,000 over time. Okay, so this is the OTO2. This is the PancakeSwaps. So you very well know about this charge up to 15%, but if you want to reduce it, then go for this OTO. This is the OTO3. This is the mindset, ongoing video upgrades, case study, and APE tool software. So this upgrade will provide you the tools itself with this course. So if you want to go for a tool of crypto trading, then you can go for it. This is the OTO4 done for you, crypto trading VPS setup. So if you want to launch your coin, if you want to launch your NFT, or if you want to launch your meme, then you can set up with this. So this provide you the VPS setup where you can launch your crypto. Okay, so these kind of upgrades are available with Crypto Underworld. So now come to the members area of Crypto Underworld. So here are the 5 modules of this course. Each module has several lessons that you have to watch and increase your income in crypto trading. So this is the first module, understanding the crypto underworld. So once I go to this module, then you will see here are the 3 lessons that you will get. So first is crypto underworld training, second one is bonus training, and third one is NFT method maker. So how you can make any NFT, this has now revealed in this course, and you can also make your NFT with this. Okay, so you very well know about NFT. If you are into crypto trading, then this is not mandatory that I am revealing you what is NFT. So once I go to the first section of this module, then you will see here the crypto underworld Exodus wallet. So what is Exodus wallet? They reveal here. So in this video, so this is the course structure. You can see that using BlueStacks and Trust Wallet, using NordVPN, using BNB for swapping, MetaMask wallet, adding networks to MetaMask, ULTGG token stacking, how to use PancakeSwap's DeFi, research the DeFi underworld, Avalanche network, and the resource links. So this can be very beneficial for you. And now let's see what is the structure of NFT maker. So here you will see now this is the course structure, NFT maker demo. This is the lesson 1. Once you go here, then you can see how you can create the NFT. So this is the checkout NFT maker here. So you can also get this NFT maker with the resource one. Okay, so once I go here, this is the open, and the method they provide you as a platform is included with a platform. You cannot make NFT with this platform, so they provide you the NFT maker. Okay, so you have to buy it in order to make your NFT. So now come to another module of crypto underworld. So this is the module 2. This is crypto understanding underworld, staking and yield farming, pancake hacks. So these are the OTOs. So I have so we had cover up one OTO here. So these are the upgrades you have to upgrade. This is only in front end you will get this only module. If you want to go for other things, then you have to upgrade it. So once I click here, you will see the module 2. So this is the module 2. Here you will get the training, crypto state stacking and yield farming. Okay, so this is the training, and this is an introduction. And once I go to the another upgrade, then this is the pancake swap hack. So here, this is the lesson, 1% pancake swap hack bonus. So these are the upgrades you have to do if you want to get more than this. So from my recommendation and my experience with this course, I want to suggest you to go for only front end first. If you then watch this course or the whole course, if you understand it and need, and you want benefit, you feel that this course will be beneficial and you can do more in crypto trading, then you can go for upgrades. Otherwise, if you don't find the course is beneficial for you, then you don't have to go for upgrade. So this is my recommendation, and this is up to you to how you can manage your things. So this is now end of this demonstration in this crypto underworld review. So if you genuinely buy this course and find it's beneficial for you, then you can go with my link in, so that you can get the bonuses that I have shown you recently. Okay, you can go to this link which is available on the description, and you can check out all the bonuses, and also get this course. Okay, so you can click on any of the visit official website button, and you will land it to this sales page, and you have to buy this. Okay, so crypto underworld is very beneficial for you, and with this course you will get proper understanding and the proper practical knowledge about crypto trading, and what are the tokens you have to find out the hot tokens that will give you the benefits that can leverage in for to the 100x profit. Okay, so this is the end of this crypto underworld review. Thank you.